Hi, today we're talking about ad spend tracker, and this is a simple template which we have created in Notion which can be used to track your ad spendings. So as you can see, we have got the database records at the bottom, which has the campaign name, the platform, the daily budget, the actual spend, CPC, CPM, CPN, all the details that you would need to see in a particular database. You can obviously insert your own formulas over here. This is just a sample placeholder text element which has been created for a use case. If you scroll to the top, we have a summary section which shows high spend campaigns, the ROS leaderboard, the channels through which we are putting the ads. So if you go to the high spend campaigns, what we have done is we have filtered the actual spend if it is greater than 3000, and we are showcasing all the information as per that. You can obviously go ahead and change the layout or even group this information as per a different grouping if you want to do so. Then we have a called ROS leaderboard which shows different campaigns that has been launched and the corresponding ROS percentage as per that. This has been sorted in a descending manner, so you can see the details like this. Finally, we have a channel section which shows different channels under which we are launching our different campaigns, the corresponding revenue obtained, and the ROS percentage for each of these campaigns. So this is a quick way to track your ad spendings. You can obviously customize this entire database at the bottom as per your own use case, and you can correspondingly choose to play around with the summary section to see how again it works. Okay, so everything is customizable as per your needs and use case. You can do so. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool that is PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool which can help you generate PDF documents in multiple documents as well as single document. So you can generate a single document from a Notion page utilizing this add page option, or you can go with multiple PDFs by adding a database. All the video demonstration has been added at the bottom for both the modes. You can definitely watch this video to start generating documents for a use case. Also added instructions for each of the use case. You can watch these instructions in order to use this particular tool. If you want to reach out to me or contact me, do so by reaching out to me at notion for my use at the rate gmail.com. Otherwise, you can also use the contact window at the bottom of this PDF output. So if you click on contact, you can send me a message with whatever queries you might have. I'll be happy to help you on any issues that you might be facing. So besides this, let me know what you think of this, and if you want to customize any template further, I'm happy to help. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.